Breezy. Breezy. Breezy.
What's up, Breezy TV people? What's up, Pelicans Nation, the Warriors Nation? I'll be talking about Pelicans versus Warriors in the first round. I think this is going to be a little bit of a tough series. Golden State has had a really good season, and I know a lot of people expect them to run over the Pelicans. I do too. They're still going to do it, but I need people to stop thinking that the Warriors are not going to do well in the playoffs just because they've never been there. Because they've been there, but they never did well. The Pelicans are a good team, not just offensively. Defensively, they're number one in a lot of stats to do with defense. So, with that being said, I do have them in 6, but Anthony Davis is going to tear that team apart. They have nobody on Golden State that can guard him. Bogut's too slow. Draymond Green's too small. Like, he could average 40 points for this series. Jrue Holiday just came back. You don't know what he's going to be like. Maybe he'll be really good. Maybe he won't. Tyreek Evans is a bull. He's going to bump everybody over when he goes to that hole and he gets you with that Euro step that nobody can stop. Who else on the team? Ryan Anderson's going to stretch it out. Sheik and Davis are going to totally tear up the boards. This is a scary dark horse team. But Golden State is Golden State. As long as they stay true to who they are, they should get right past them. But if they get a little jittery, or if they start playing Pelicans game, this can be a longer series than people think. This is Davis's chance. This is his first debut into the playoffs. You know he's going to tear it up. Look what he did in the first game of the year. Almost a quadruple double. This is the numbers you should expect for Anthony Davis from this playoff series. And Curry's going to be tested right away. He's had a great season, but this is his number 1 playoff game. And as you guys know, the playoffs is different from the season. With that being said, I do have Golden State at 6. On that note, Breezy TV, we out here. 1. Keep it locked for all playoff analysis and predictions on Breezy TV E-Town Sports. Check in because I'll be doing the next round and the next round all the way to the finals and the playoffs.